นี่แหละนี่แหละ
เดี๋ยว
โอ้โห really hard so look what we get so I just help my dad driving but not really helping them like worker look what my dad got Dad oh my god oh my god so I'm not really eat them but they just come to the machine when we working so and then they dead in the machine so now we have to cook them because my dad wanted so normally I never eat it maybe I eat when I'm young but not now though but still I gonna cook for daddy okay let's go I'm really scared of them though by the way okay. It's dead already, so it should be okay. Damn, really? I have to cook this? Daddy! I have to cook this one? Okay. Oh, they don't have the head anymore because the machine eat the head. Look. Oh, they don't have the head anymore. Look at the head. So the machine eat the head already. So we have to grill them. This. Dad live in the farm. Not just that, like almost like most of the people they live in the farm, they eat everything they have. And then the snake is everywhere in the farm. So we have to grill them. So make sure all the skin have to take it out. We can eat only inside, not the skin there. So I will show you. I'm not professional, but I can because I see a lot of people doing in my farm. So probably my dad gonna come and help me as well because he professional almost everything. And also we have to put a lot of chili and a lot like herb everything because the snakes eat everything in the farm. Eat the rat, eat the whatever live in the farm like small thing. They eat everything. So gonna make sure not smelling. Here. So we have to clean them. Look at the skin. Okay. I think it's ready. So we're gonna put them in the hot water. Like this. Oh my god. So we're gonna get the lemongrass as well to put for making nice like rest stick because it's very smell so bad. Okay, let's go get the lemongrass. Okay, that's it. And then we're gonna get the chili basil as well. No chili basil, a Thai basil as well. Is this one นี่เหรอเนี่ยใช่ไหมเอาไว้
ใช่ใบกะเพราควาย
อันนี้เหรอ
ใช่นี่ใบกะเพราควาย
and this one as well we gonna put a lot let's go put this in the water and the leaf is very good as well. Okay, and we have to wait until they really cook. So we have to tie them first. They are a little bit cooked though, but still okay. We have to open it and take off the skin. Yeah. And we're gonna put them here. We have to throw away this. Oh. We have to cut it off. So we have to cut off this and we're gonna leave it, and this we have to throw away. Wow, I think it's ready. So I'm gonna put it here. Let them cool down first, and I'm gonna prepare the herb. So gonna be onion and garlic, and gonna be coriander and some spring onion as well. So I'm gonna take off the skin and just only this part. This, I think it's look a little bit like a chicken. Here we are. We take off all the skin and everything already, but my dad said he won't eat the skin, so we just leave the skin for that as well. So now we're gonna put the ingredient. So I'm gonna put some chili in here. Yeah. And like stir them together for making more nice smell. The soup in here. Okay. It smells good already. So when we wait for the chili, I'm gonna put a little bit of this. just a little bit of this for making more flavor. Okay. Excuse me. It looks so good. If you not think it's snack, it looks so good. If you think it's like chicken, this is chicken. Wow. Some anchovy sauce. Before I try, I have to let Dad try first. Okay, let's call that. Dad! อร่อยไหม Let me try.
แซ่บเหมือนกันเผ็ด
It's like chicken, but it's very hot when you chew it. Oh, Dad love it. Dad love it. Oh my god. Oh my god. อร่อย That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ